Elephant Rescue, a muddy adventure. Meet 4 elephants on a muddy adventure. They stumble upon a sticky mud pit, and oops, they're trapped. Frightened and unsure, they wriggle and squirm, trying to escape. Who would save our grey friends from this mucky mess? Enter the hero of the day, the 5th elephant. Noticing the trouble, this brave elephant springs into action. With a curling trunk and a clever plan, it splashes water all over. The mud begins to slide away, freeing our trapped friends. Hooray! The elephants are overjoyed. Their big eyes twinkle with gratitude. Splash after splash, the hero washes away the mud. Each gush of water brings them closer to freedom. It's teamwork, pure and simple, showing how friends can save the day when they stick together. Free at last, 4 elephants trumpet joyfully. Their trunks wiggle in delight as they stand close together, basking in friendship and unity. What a joyful finale, showing us the magic of cooperation. The music shifts to a cheerful beat. It's time to celebrate a job well done. Now it's your turn to be a hero. Can you think of friends who need your help? Team up, lend a hand, and share your adventures with us. Don't forget to like and share this story. Let's spread smiles and the spirit of teamwork everywhere.